Well, hello there, YouTube. This is Trucking with the Hook, Richard, coming to you from my sleeper with my little doggy, Frankie. Yes, he's licking my knee. Ain't that right, Frankie? He's got a lick. That's his ritual. So, in this video, we're leaving Deming, and somehow it's on the time lapse, and then the next scene after that, it's on regular, but it shows us pulling into the you say ice facility or checkpoint outside of El Paso and I-10 there. So in this video we go from Deming, New Mexico to Ropesville, Texas, and there's really not much to say. A couple shots of it and stuff, but didn't really do much recording, so I figured I'd do this little bit. It was just kind of mundane. So with that being said, hope you enjoy. Here's the video. Oh, and before I let you go, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe. If you need a job, call Crete Carrier. Tell them 4220 HORRI. Richard sent you. Thanks and have a good night. Pedro's not in the sleeper, man. He's just not here. Yep, everybody's got to get off. Cars, semis, buses, you name it. They've got it to where you can't even bypass it unless you drive in the fucking grass. And then if you do that, they know you're fucking running then. USBP, whatever the fuck that means. U.S. Border Patrol. Okay, that makes sense. It just dawned on me. No, this is a electronic sign that just has the letters USBP on it. The United States Border Patrol. Oh yeah, off to the side. Oh, they even got a freight train over there stopped. A rock train. Yeah. Probably saying, is your crew American? No Pedro crew? We can't have any Pedro crew on board. This is where they nail some of the fucking illegals from. What was that about, Frankie? does FedEx get to go in the fucking car lane? Of course, we're at a dead fucking stop. Shut my fucking logbook off. Something tells me a driver was giving them a hard time because they had us stopped. And now they're just waving us all through. I bet you I know what's going on. It's like if they see a California truck or like a truck that's not, you know, leased on, they're stopping them. Either that or they just had shift change. Because they're just passing all these trucks. Oh fuck, we're backed up all the way onto the interstate. I think they realize the majority of these trucks are American. They're just passing us all. But they had that one. Checkpoint outside of El Paso, and then they just all of a sudden let us all go. So I think, so I'm guessing either they had shift change or they was having problems with a driver or something. Because we're all stacked out to the other side onto the interstate, and all of a sudden they just opened up the floodgates and they just had the go sign sticking out the window. Okay, whatever. So, what made you decide you got to take 191 up Route 6 to the backside of their property there? Turn off there just past Crete River. That's not a bad road. come out of the mountains there on Route 6, you know, after going over Soldier Summit, the very first stoplight, you make a left and that shoots you over towards their house. Yeah, well, it's not a big one, but there's a decent enough sized lot you can fit a semi in it. You know, things like a marathon or something. You make a left right there at the stoplight, and you just follow that all the way over.